So in this matrix, we can say that user A give rating to item B and the rating is 4. User A give rating to item D and the rating is 1. So you can see that user A already maybe watch or call the product B, D, E, and F, but user A didn't watch. User A did not buy the product A and C. So the user A cannot give any rating to item A and item C. Then how do you handle the missing value? So we learned many techniques for handling this missing value. You can do a lot of things. For example, give the neutral. The neutral rating, we know that this is a rating from 1 until 5. Then maybe I can give 3 or 2. It's up to you. There is another idea how to handle missing value. We can use the average of users rating. For the average of user rating, it means I will check the average, which is 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5, and then divided by the number of items that the user already gave. Then it means 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 divided by 4. So the average will be in the item A and item C. It is to handle the missing value. The same with the average of user B, average of user C, average of user D. What is the other option? We can calculate the average of items rating. So in the item ratings, let's say I want to check the item A. Then the item A average is 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Then it is like 1.5. So 1.5 will be in this cell and 1.5 will be in this cell. There's another option. For example, I do not want to give value, so I can give 0. So I can just give 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Different technique will give you different result. Now for the next, I think I do not want to give any value to the missing cell. Let's try to calculate the Jaccard similarity and cosine similarity and the Dice coefficient. Okay, who wants to try? Okay, let's start with the Jaccard. In the Jaccard, using the Jaccard similarity, if we have this utility matrix, what we are going to do is change this utility matrix into Boolean. Okay. What is Boolean? It is 0, 1. In this case, if there is no value in the cell, we put 0. If there is a value here, we put 1. So we can just look at this one. We are going to calculate the Jacob similarity of user A and C. Then I can say like A will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. And then C will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, sorry. I thought I look at B. So C is sorry. C is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So by giving this number 0 and 0. So yeah, we don't care about the 0. So we only care the number 1. If it is intersect A intersection B divided by A union B. How many of items are intersection? So this one intersect and this one intersect. Then there will be 2 items intersection divided by how many items from A and B that are union. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is 2 divided by 1. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now, the problem number 2. Calculate the cosine similarity between user B and D. If we calculate the cosine similarity, means we will use the real value. If you still remember the problem in this cosine similarity, we use 5 and 3. 0, 0, 3, 2, and so on. In this case, we are just using the value which is, let me again write down here, 2. Let's assume that if there is no real value, I put 0. So 2, 0, 3, 2, 5, 2, and then I have D. So D is 1, 0, 3, 5, 4, and 0. Now, based on the formula, we need to A multiplied by B and divided by we call this is the Euclidean distance of the value in A and multiply by the Euclidean distance of the value of B. Then you can multiply. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 0, of course, 0. And then 3 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0. So let's say I just put 9 multiplied by 10. Sorry. Yeah, 10 multiplied by 20 and 0 divided by. So we will do for B first. 2 power of 2, then it is 4, 0, and then 3 power of 2, it is 9, and then 4, and then 25, and then 4. And then we do the power of half, because we need to do the square root. Multiply by 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 25 plus 16, and then power of half. So you can calculate this one. If I change this one, then disappear. Okay. So you can use the calculator to calculate. Check. Okay, so you can do the calculation. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is just 9. 2 multiplied by 5 10 plus 20 plus 0. Okay. Then the total is 41. 41 divided by 4, 9, 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 25 plus 4, and then 12. So 6.78. And then for the D, we have 1 plus 9 plus 25 plus 16, 51, and 12, 7.14. Then we can just do the calculation from here. 41 divided by 6.78 multiplied by 7.14. So the result is 0.84 something something. Oh, maybe this is because I make the value lower, but a little bit different.
I would differently, I to write as 1.845, so
Sorry?
I have to write as 0.845.
4, 5. Oh, okay. It is 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, if it is 4, 5, then yeah, 4, 6. Okay. Okay. So later, when I give this kind of problem, I think I will just consider 2 digit the comma. Okay. Okay. Last one is the dice coefficient. The dice coefficient means it is 2 multiplied by x intersection y divided by the number of element in x plus the number of element in y. So I would like to know the dice coefficient of A and D. The same with the Jaccard similarity, we will change this utility matrix to Boolean. How? It is, let's assume I just give 0 for this one, so it is 0. So A is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and then D, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So we are going to multiply with 2 for the number of items that intersect. It is not intersect, no intersection, no intersection. This is intersection, this is intersection. So there are 2 items that intersect, and then we divide with the number of items in A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the item in D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 divided by 8. Okay, 4 divided by 8. Okay. Any questions? Okay, good. So I think you already know how to calculate this similarity.